Welcome back to Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to show you how to make this newspaper baby announcement. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Those of you who know me know that I am going to be a grandma soon, and I'm very excited. And now that my daughter and son-in-law have announced that they're having their baby, I am going to show you guys how I made their newspaper baby announcement. All you need for this is Canva. You are going to need Canva Pro. Sorry. If you don't have it, you need to ask someone if you can use theirs, or you need to pay the $12.99. It's worth it, trust me. It's very worth it. So we're gonna head over to Canva and I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Okay, once you get into Canva, we are going to click Templates. It's at the top of your screen under that toolbar, under the search bar. Once you click Templates, it gives you different options. You can type in newspaper, but since I recently already did this, it has all of the newspaper announcements here. So just pick the one that is closest to what you're looking to create. There are arrows on either side of the screen so you can scroll over. They have a lot of options. This is the one that I chose because it's closest to what my daughter sent me. So as you can see down in that bottom right corner, it allows you to customize this design. Once you click on that, you'll see that everything on this page is editable. You can move the text, you can remove the pictures and add your own. It's completely up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this baby Wilson. And also I'm going to remove the photo that they have here because I'm going to put my own photo in there. Now that I've removed the photo, you can see the background for what they call a frame. This allows us to add a photo into any shape. You can also, as long as it's a photo, you can add it to this. You can't add like graphics. So I have photos saved here on the left. I am going to select this sonogram and I am going to move it around until it shows up in my frame. And you can also double click this and center it, but I don't need to do that because I'm making this more rectangular for a landscape shape. So it automatically made the image look the way that I wanted it to. Now I'm going to continue editing as I see fit to make it fit the template that my daughter sent me, but I'm not going to make you guys sit through that. So we're just going to fast forward. Here's the design. And so now I am going to add a new page. Down at the bottom, you can see underneath the photo that I created where it has the plus sign and says add page. We're going to click that plus sign, add a new page, and then voila, here's my second photo that I wanted to add in. And now we have both sides of our newspaper. Now we're going to go ahead and save this. We're going to click share in the right-hand corner, the upper right-hand corner, and then we're going to download this as a PNG. We are going to go home, click create, and we're going to create a new design. So you're going to hit custom size, make sure you change it to inches, and we are going to put in 24 for width and 18 for height. Okay, now you are going to pull in those first two photos that you saved from Canva. You're going to put the front page of the newspaper all the way to the right, and we're going to make them both equally sized. You can see when it's in the middle because it'll give you that purple line. When you see that purple line, that's the center point, and from that center point, we are going to stretch our photo so that it fills up the right half of this newspaper. Now we're going to pull in our second photo and do the same. Now that I have everything adjusted the way that I want it, I am going to go up to this upper right hand corner. I'm going to hit share and download. Here is our finished design, and we now have a newspaper. But let me show you how to go to Staples and have this printed. We're going to head over to staples.com, and in the upper left-hand corner on the toolbar, you'll see where it says Print and Marketing. You'll click that, and down below it says Signs, Banners, and Posters. You're going to click that, and then you're going to go to Posters. Once it pulls this up, you are going to see at the top, they may have like a discount code. Make sure you save that because it's beneficial. But you're going to search for the size. I'm going to first change this to landscape orientation. And in this size, it already has the 24 by 18. Now I am going to select this standard. That is going to be the thinnest paper you can get. It is high quality paper and thick, but you don't want to get anything thicker than the standard, or you'll be upset when you get it because it won't fold. They also have options where you can get laminate and things like that so that your item is waterproof, but we don't really need that, so I'm going to skip that. Also, your items get cheaper the more that you buy, so they do offer discounts if you need more than one item, but I don't need that, so I'm going to skip that as well. Now, you can use one of the designs that they have, or you can upload your own, which is what we're going to do. When this upload screen comes up, you'll just click it and add your design that you saved to your computer. I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you review your design, especially if this is something that you're doing for someone else and they paid you for this. Go over it. This is your chance to make sure you don't have any errors. Now that I've looked it over, I'm going to click review in the bottom right hand corner. And after reviewing it one last time, I'm going to go to the bottom of the screen, check that box that says that I have reviewed the agreement and your product, and you are going to add it to your cart. Now I'm just double checking that I have this set for pickup because I don't need it delivered. I wanted to pick it up that day, but you can have it delivered if you have the time. Now I'm going to go to the top and click expand all so that I can review everything for my order. And as you can see, it says I can do same day pickup as long as I order by 12 p.m. If you order after 12 p.m., you do have to hit rush. I think it's $6.50. So just, use your time wisely. But make sure you put in the coupon code and click apply so that you can get the discount. And that is it. You are ready to check out and your poster is complete. So we went to Staples and picked this up. I did a rush order and this is how it came out. The paper is thick, but you can fold it. And obviously there's nothing inside, but there doesn't need to be anything inside. This was strictly for pictures. So when they hold it open, it looks like they're reading a newspaper. And that is the gist. You don't need nothing inside. And then it has like the little crossword puzzles and stuff on back that they can actually, use if they wanted to. I appreciate you guys for joining me today for another Tutorial Tuesday video. If you like this video, share this video and comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future. And I'll see you in the next one.